In this very short and very simple tutorial, I'm going to show you how to boot into safe mode in Windows 10, Windows 8, and Windows 8.1. If you wanted to boot into safe mode on a previous version of Windows, you would just hit F8 repeatedly before the Windows logo appeared, and then select safe mode or safe mode with command prompt from the menu that appeared. In Windows 8 and Windows 10, safe mode still exists, but getting into it is a little bit different. If you are currently logged into the computer, the first thing you want to do is click your Start button, and then click the Power button, and then hold the Shift key while you click Restart. If you are not logged into the computer, you can do the same thing by clicking the Power button on the bottom right-hand corner, and then also holding Shift while you click Restart. Once you do that, the computer is going to bring up some options for you to choose from. You want to click Troubleshoot, then click Advanced Options, and then click Startup Settings, and then Restart. The computer will now restart and then bring up a list of startup settings, just like we saw in previous versions of Windows. To boot Windows in safe mode, just press 4 to enable safe mode. And that's it. The computer will now boot up into safe mode. If you want to start Windows back up normally, all you have to do is just restart the computer.